If you're looking for a step-by-step guide to a successful gold IRA, you've come to the right place. Many American retirees are turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth, but knowing where to start can be overwhelming. Stick around because I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get your gold IRA set up successfully and ensure you're securing your financial future. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend you click the first link in the description. This will give you access to a free guide that explains why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their wealth in uncertain times. Now let's talk about why you might want to consider a gold IRA. If you're sitting on a 401k or an IRA with a significant amount of savings, whether it's 100k or even 5 million, you're probably aware that inflation, market volatility, and political uncertainty can quickly erode your wealth. A gold IRA can act as a hedge against these risks. Unlike traditional paper assets, gold has historically maintained its value during economic downturns, and when you roll over your existing IRA or 401k into a gold IRA, you essentially protect your wealth with tangible assets. The first step in setting up a successful gold IRA is choosing the right custodian. Not all custodians are equal, so make sure you select one that specializes in precious metals. You'll want a custodian that offers easy access to your account, low fees, and great customer service. I've seen people lose out on significant returns simply because they didn't take the time to choose the right custodian. Take it from me, this is a step you don't want to rush. Once you've selected a custodian, it's time to fund your gold IRA. You can either transfer or roll over funds from an existing IRA or 401k. Some retirees might feel overwhelmed at this point, thinking it's complicated. The truth is, it's relatively simple when you work with a trusted custodian. They will guide you through the entire process, and before you know it, your funds will be in your new gold IRA, ready to be converted into precious metals. Next, you'll want to choose which precious metals you want to invest in. Gold is the obvious choice for many, but silver, platinum, and palladium can also be part of your portfolio. Diversifying your holdings can help further mitigate risks and enhance the overall security of your IRA. Just make sure that the metals you select meet the IRS requirements. Your custodian can help with that. Once your gold IRA is funded and your metals are selected, you'll need to make sure they're stored in a secure, IRS-approved depository. Many gold IRA custodians have partnerships with these facilities, and they'll handle the storage for you. The key here is security. The last thing you want is to have your precious metals stored in an unsafe location, so stick with a reputable depository. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. Not all gold IRAs are created equal. There are companies out there that may try to sell overpriced gold or push you into a deal that doesn't align with your financial goals. That's why it's essential to partner with a company that values transparency and ethics. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, don't settle for anything less than the best. If you're wondering how to monitor your gold IRA after setting it up, the good news is that it's much easier than you might think. Your custodian will provide you with regular statements, and you can always check the market value of your precious metals. Just remember, gold IRAs are long-term investments, so avoid the temptation to sell off your gold in times of market uncertainty. Hold your position, and your wealth should remain protected for years to come. Or, to recap, choose a reliable custodian, roll over your existing funds, select the right precious metals, and make sure they're stored securely. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to securing your financial future with a successful gold IRA. Before you go, if you're an American retiree with 100K or more in an IRA or 401k, or even if you have up to $5 in savings, this guide will be perfect for you. So don't miss out. Click that link in the description to access your free gold IRA guide and consultation. Your wealth deserves to be protected, and with a gold IRA, you're making a smart decision that many retirees are already benefiting from.